In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new material to your object, with a focus on using the shader editor. Whether you're new to 3D modeling or just looking to refine your skills, understanding how to manipulate materials and textures is crucial in creating vibrant and lifelike models. We'll break this down into simple, actionable steps, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to switch to the Shader Editor workspace. This switch is essential because the shader editor is specifically designed for you to handle materials in a more detailed and complex manner. If you're unfamiliar with this, look for the menu at the top of your screen, usually where you navigate through different workspaces like Layout, Modeling, and Sculpting. From there, select the Shader Editor, which will give you access to the necessary tools needed to add and manipulate textures and materials. Next, we want to check if an image texture node is already present within the shader workspace. This node is crucial because it allows us to apply specific textures to our model. If it's not there, don't worry, it's easy to add. Simply press Shift and A at the same time, which will pull up the Add menu. Navigate down to Texture, and from there, select Image Texture. This command places the Image Texture node into your workspace, making it ready to use. Once you've got your Image Texture node set up, the next step involves loading your PNG image into this node. This is where the magic happens as you begin to see your object take on the characteristics of the image you've selected. To do this, click on the Open button within the Image Texture node. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate your file directories. Search for the PNG image you've prepared, select it, and confirm. Now, your image should be linked to the node. With just those few steps, you've successfully added a new material to your object using the shader editor. This part of the process is incredibly rewarding as it provides your model with depth and realism. Working with materials can sometimes seem daunting, especially if you're a beginner. However, embracing these tools and exploring their functionalities not only enhances your models, but also boosts your skills as a 3D artist. Remember, mastery comes with practice, so don't hesitate to experiment with different textures and nodes to find the combination that works best for your specific project. If you encountered any issues, feel free to pause the video, rewind, and try the steps again. Each time you repeat this process, it'll become more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy modeling!